Good day, and thank you for joining us in another MYOB advanced training video. In this video, we will have a look at actions, inquiries, and reports available from the customer maintenance form. In one of our previous videos, we have learned how to add a new customer. On the new customer form, there are toolbars that includes standard and form-specific buttons to give you quick access to a specific form, report, and inquiry. In your MYOB Advanced system, navigate to Receivables, Profiles, and click on Customers. Choose your customer that you would like to view. On the Form Toolbar, you have three buttons: Actions, Inquiries, and Reports. On the Actions drop-down button, you have the following options. View Supplier. This opens the supplier form so that you can view the customer supplier account if this customer has a supplier account too. View Business Account. This opens the business account form from which you can view the details of this customer account. New Invoice Memo. This will navigate to the Invoices and Memos form so that you can create a new invoice. New Sales Order. This will navigate to the Sales Orders form so that you can create a new sales order for this customer. New Payment. This will navigate to the Payments and Applications form, which you can use to define a new payment for the customer. Rights of Balance. This will navigate to the Rights of Balance and Credit form. Extend to Supplier. This opens the Suppliers form as a pop-up so that you can define this customer as a supplier and add supplier-specific information. View Restriction Groups. This will navigate to the Restriction Groups by Customer form, which you can use to view the restriction groups this customer is a member of. Generate Statement on Demand. This generates the on-demand statement for the customer on the date specified in the Statement Date box of the generated on-demand statement dialog box. Regenerate Last Statement. This will initiate the regeneration and preparation of the customer's most recent statement. Change ID. This gives you the ability to change the ID of the current selected customer. Schedule on the calendar board. This will open the calendar board form where you can create an appointment to perform a service for the customer. Schedule on the staff calendar board. This will open the staff calendar board form where you can create an appointment for a particular staff member to perform a service for the customer. If we look at inquiries, you will have the following options. Customer Details. This will navigate you to the Customer Details form where you can view detailed information on the customer balance. Customer Statement History. This navigates to the Customer Statement History form where you can view the statement history for the selected customer and drill down to the details of each statement. Sales Prices. This navigates to the Sales Price form where you can view or edit sales prices for the selected customer. Service Order History. This navigates to the Service Order History form where you can view information on the customer service orders. Appointment History. This navigates to the Appointment Summary form where you can view information on the customer appointments. Equipment Summary. This navigates to the Equipment Summary form where you can view information on the customer equipment. Contract Schedule Summary. This navigates to the Contract Schedule Summary form where you can view information on the customer schedule. And lastly, we will look at reports. You will have the following reports available: AR balance by customer, customer history, AR age past due, AR age outstanding, AR register, customer profile, and the customer statement. This navigates to the customer statement report with the latest statement prepared for the customer. This concludes our training video on actions, inquiries, and reports available from the customer maintenance. Please let us know with your feedback, and please join us again for more as we explore MYOB Advanced through our training videos. Thank you for watching.